Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can synchronize two different Google calendars with each other automatically. So guys, suppose that you are using Google Calendar for tracking your personal events. So you have another calendar which is shared with your team and your team track the events on that calendar. So sometimes you have to add a event in your personal calendar and you have to add the same event in the shared calendar as well. So you have to often do it manually. So it kills your time unnecessarily, and this automation is going to solve this problem for you. Here we are going to connect one Google Calendar with another Google Calendar in such a way that whenever you are going to add a event in one calendar, the same event will be created in a different calendar automatically on the same date. And we are going to set up this automation with just few clicks without any coding. So let's begin. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation. Pabbly Connect, guys, is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link in the description, and after that you can sign in and you will select the Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up your automation, and here you can give a name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Google Calendar. So guys, I have given the name here as sync two Google calendars together. So after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the actions. With the help of these two things, we can set up this automation. So guys, trigger is that event which starts this workflow, and action is a automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So guys, in our use case, adding a event in one Google Calendar is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to add the same event in a different calendar. Okay, so here first of all you have to click on this trigger button, and here it is asking to choose the application. So here we are going to choose Google Calendar as our trigger application. So search for Google Calendar, guys. All right, after that you have to select the trigger event as new event. Okay, then you have to click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that calendar. All right, after that you have to provide some additional access to your Google account by clicking on continue here, and that is completely safe, you don't have to worry. And you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it is asking to choose your calendar's name. So here you can see, guys, this is my calendar application and these are my calendars. So I'm going to select the name of this calendar, guys. I have named it as Pabbly Connect. So you can see Pabbly Connect calendar here, select it, and after that you can fetch the details of a recent event that you have created by clicking on save and send test request button. So let us now create an event here. So I am creating an event at 22nd of February. Okay, so here I am giving the title of the event as meeting. Okay, here you can add the time as well. So you can so date is selected already, and let's say this is the event is going to start at 1 p.m. and it is going to end at 3:30. Okay, here you can add the guest to your event as well. You can provide a description. I'm going to provide the description as meeting for new project. All right, and after providing the description, I'm going to click on save, and you can see this event is created and saved here in this calendar. Now let me click on save and send test request button, and the details of the same will be fetched here. You can see, guys, in the summary you can see the title of the event as meeting, the status is confirmed, the time zone is this, the start date and time of the event is here, 22nd 2023 and 1 a.m., and in 24 hours time format it is showing 1300. Okay, this is the start time. You can see the organizer's name, the calendar's name. The end time date is also here, 3:30 or 15:30, and this is the description. So that's how you can fetch the details of an event. Now it is time to create the same event in our different calendar. Okay, so I'm going to search for Google Calendar one more time here. Here it is. And select the action event as create an event. Then click on connect. Now from here I am going to use the existing connection. So we have already connected with Google Calendar in the trigger steps. So if you want to connect with the same application again in the same workflow or in a different workflow, you can use your saved connections or existing connections. For that, you just have to keep this select existing connection option selected, and here it will show you the list of all the existing connections that you have. After that, click on save button and you will be connected again with the same application like this. Here you can select your different or second calendar. So my second calendar is here. Let me show you. This is the second calendar named as PabCon. Okay, so I'm going to select this calendar right now. Okay, and here it is asking for the title, description, location, start date time, and date time, everything. So I'm going to use this data that I have received here from the first calendar. Okay, so I'm going to map the labels here. So just click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find the data here, and from here map the summary label in the title. For the description, use the same process and you will find the description label here, map it. If you have the location details, you can map the location. Right now we do not have the location actually, so you can leave this blank. In the start date time, just click here and you will find the start date time right here, just map it. For the end date time, use the same process. Here is the end date time label. Okay, and the time zone is Asia Kolkata. You have to select your time zone. You can select the visibility of the event as private or public. You can, if you have the guest, you can add the guest here, and here you can provide a recurrence rule if this is a recurring event of your calendar. Okay, so this is just a one-time event, so I'm not providing a rule here. You can leave it blank as well. Now you can check your connection with Google Calendar by clicking on save and send test request button, and this event now will be created in this calendar at 22nd here. Okay, let us see. I'm going to click here on save and send test request button, and this is the response we have received. Now let us check our second calendar if we got an event added, and here you can see guys, the same event is created here in this calendar with the title meeting, and you can see the description as well, meeting for new project. The time is also same, everything is same, and here you will find the same event in this calendar, Pabbly Connect as well. Okay, and it got synchronized with this calendar. So this is how you can connect two calendars together guys, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually in this in your calendar. After that, whenever you are going to create a new event in one calendar, it will be reflected in the second calendar automatically, and you can use this workflow guys, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.